y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, another baking video. All right, so I decided to ramp it up a little bit and try something a little bit more ambitious, and I think you're gonna really like it. Let me just give a disclaimer that if you're looking for something super sweet, I wouldn't quite say this is that recipe. It's the perfect amount of sweetness in the actual muffin itself. The icing is what really sets it off and kind of increases the sweet factor. So I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It was fun to make and I think it turned out pretty great. Wow, bars. So if you want to know how I make it, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is add sugar to a large mixing bowl, followed by flour. Next, we'll go in with poppy seeds because it's not a poppy seed muffin without these. Then we're going in with our baking powder and then just a pinch of salt. Mix all of your dry ingredients together really well. And then I'm going to add in our lemon zest. I didn't feel like I had enough, so I'm adding some more. If you have a tip for lemon zest, please put it in the comment section below. In a separate bowl, I'm combining my plant-based milk with some oil, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, a little bit of vanilla, and then I'm going to mix all of that together. So now just combining our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients, and you guessed it, we're mixing it up, we're getting that arm workout in, we're turning on our Apple Watch and getting some credit for this workout. Next, I'm just taking a 1 tablespoon measuring cup and putting that in my cupcake liners. Now, if you're using silicone baking cupcake molds, you're going to want to make sure that you adjust your heat and the time to not be as long because they'll get a little toasty. So next, you're just going to pop your muffins into the oven for about 20 minutes, and this is what they look like after they've rested. Now, if you want to take it a step further and add the icing, you saw the ingredients list in the beginning, and so you're just going to dunk them in there and then give it a nice twist, and this is what it looks like all served up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.